Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss about arithmetic sequence formula. So this is the arithmetic sequence formula that shows a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So this formula is used to find a sub n or a sub 1, the common difference, and it can also be used to find the n or the position of a term. So the first topic under this particular lesson is how do we use the formula to find the first term. For example, what is the first term of an arithmetic sequence whose 36th term is 185 and the common difference is 5? So ang given lang dito is the 36th term or a sub 36 that's equal to 185 and a common difference of 5, positive 5. Okay. Using the formula, a sub 36 is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So yung a sub 36 ay binigay or given. So this is our a sub n. Papalitan lang natin to ng mga values na nakukuha or makukuha natin dun sa question. So, substitute natin, a sub 36 is equal to 185 is equal to a sub 1, hindi natin alam, plus 36, galing siya dito sa n or the subscript of a minus 1 times 5. And yung d galing dun sa problem, common difference is 5. Solve mo na yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay, 185 is equal to a sub 1 plus 35 times 5. So, multiply. 35 times 5 is 175. Okay? So, kailangan natin itong i-transpose sa tabi ni 185 para maiwan na lang si a sub 1 on the other side of the equal sign. So, pag transpose itong positive 175, magiging negative 175 plus 185 equals the first term. So, magkaiba sila ng sign. Subtract, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, bigger number natin, positive. So, subtract the numbers. And that will give us 10 equal to first term. So, ibig sabihin ang a sub 1 or first term natin is 10. Example number 2 natin. What is the first term of an arithmetic sequence whose 26th term is negative 85 and common difference is negative 2? So again, nawawala yung first term. Pero ang binigay ay a sub 26 that's equal to negative 85 and meron ding common difference na negative 2. So, gamit yung ating arithmetic sequence formula. So, you have a sub n, pinalitan ng a sub 26, equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, substitute natin yung value ng a sub 26. Yun ay negative 85. A sub 1 ay nawawala. So, kopyahin lang. Plus n, 26 yun. Minus 1 times d. The common difference is negative 2. Galing sa question. So, substitute natin. So, negative 85 is equal to a sub 1 plus 26 minus 1 times negative 2. So, solve muna yung nasa parenthesis. So, 26 minus 1 is 25 times negative 2, negative 50. So, itong negative 50, lipat na naman natin sa kabila kasi pareho silang whole number. Iwan si a sub 1 sa kabilang side ng equal sign. So, you have 50 minus 85 is equal to a sub 1. So, positive si 50, negative si 85. Subtract, copy the sign of the bigger number. So, yung first term natin is equal to negative 35. Okay, let's go to our second subtopic. How do we use the formula to find the common difference? Question is, what's the common difference in the arithmetic sequence 25 blank 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 5? So dito walang consecutive term. So walang magkatabi. So it's hard for us to look for the common difference. Using the arithmetic sequence formula, pwede nating magamit yung information na dito sa problem. So, si 25 yun ang ating a sub 1 at yung 5 gagawin nating a sub n or yung last term natin dito sa formula. So, you have a sub 5 is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, substitute natin. Yung a sub 5 is 5. A sub 1 natin is 25 plus 5 minus 1 times d. So, yung 5 galing dito sa a sub 5. Okay, solve muna natin nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, that's 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Multiply 4 times d, 4d. Tapos, si 25 at saka si 5 parehong whole number. So, si 25 ilipat sa kabila, transpose. Magiging negative 25 plus 5 equals 4d. So, solve natin to. Negative 25 plus 5, subtract, copy the sign of the bigger number. This will give us negative 20 equals 4d. So, kailangan na lang maiwan si d. So, divide both sides by 4. Makukuha nating value ng common difference ay negative 5. So, tama na negative 5 kasi pag tiningnan mo, from 25, positive 25, bumaba siya sa 5. So, ibig sabihin nababawasan siya. Example number 2. What is the common difference in the arithmetic sequence 33 blank blank 21 blank and so on? So in this case, wala ring consecutive term. Pero meron tayong a sub 1 at a sub 4. So yun ang gagamitin natin sa formula. So a sub 4 is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So substitute natin. A sub 4 is 21. Galing siya dito. And then a sub 1 is 33 plus n minus 1 or 4 minus 1 times d, the common difference. So yung 4 galing dito. Okay? So, subtract natin na sa loob ng parenthesis. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 times d is 3d. Tapos, yung 33, ilipat na natin kay 21. Okay? Kasi pareho silang whole number. Combined similar terms. So, yung negative 33 tinranspose plus 21 is equal to 3d. Solve natin itong nasa kabilang side. Subtract because they have different signs. Copy the sign of the bigger number. Ang bigger number natin ay negative 33. So, negative yung magiging sign yan and then subtract the numbers. So, this will give us negative 12 equals 3d. So, kailangan matira na lang si d. Divide both sides by 3. So, this will give us d equal to negative 4. So, negative 4, tama naman kasi pababa din yung numbers. So, ang common, may nasusubtract talaga. In this, that's negative 4.